Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation 2 to the power of x plus a to the power of x is equal to 10. So to solve this, I'm going to first start by rewriting this as 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of 3 to the power of x is equal to 10. And now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of n to the power of m, meaning I can switch the places of 3 and x. So I get 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x to the power of 3 is equal to 10. Now I'm going to let 2 to the power of x equal to the variable y. So if I substitute in y now, I get y plus y to the power of 3 is equal to 10. And this means that y to the power of 3 plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. So I'm going to first find the value of y, and then once I get that, I can then plug it in right here and find the value of x. So there's actually multiple solutions for y. So to find all of them, well, notice how we have an exponent of 3 here. So there's probably 3 solutions here. So to find all 3 solutions, what I'm going to do is first find one solution by just plugging numbers in, and then once I have that one solution, I can find the remaining ones. So let me start by plugging in 1. If I plug in 1, I get 1 to the power of 3 plus 1 minus 10, which is equal to negative 8. So this is not it. So now let me plug in 2. If I plug in 2, I get 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 minus 10. This is equal to 8 plus 2 minus 10, which is equal to 0. So 2 works, meaning y minus 2 equals 0 is a solution. So because 2 is a solution, what I'm going to do is divide y to the power of 3 plus y minus 10 with y minus 2, because then I'll get the remaining solutions for this equation. So I'm going to use synthetic division to divide these two. And if you guys don't know what synthetic division is, I recommend watching a video. But now I have 1, 0, 1, and negative 10. And I have 2 over here. So I'm going to drop down the 1 first. 2 times 1 is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Negative 10 plus 10 is 0. So I have a remainder of 0, and I'm left with x squared plus 2x plus 5. Meaning, or sorry, it should be y squared. I have y squared plus 2y plus 5. Meaning, y squared plus 2y plus 5 times y minus 2 is equal to 0. Because y squared plus 2y plus 5 times y minus 2 is equal to y to the power of 3 plus y minus 10. And we already know y to the power of 3 plus y minus 10 is equal to 0. So this gives me two equations now. I have y squared plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0, and y minus 2 equals 0. So we already know that y equals 2 here. We already know that this is a solution. Now for y squared plus 2y plus 5 equals 0, to solve this I'm going to use the quadratic formula. And here it is if you guys don't recall it. But let me plug in a, b, and c. So I have negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus 4 times 5. And notice over here, the square root of 4 minus 20 is equal to the square root of negative 16. And this is a negative number, and you can't take the square root of a negative number if you're looking for real solutions. So there's no solution for that, so our only solution for y is y equals 2. So I get 2 to the power of x is equal to 2, and this means that x is equal to 1. So this is my solution.